Welcome to SATX. For algebraic practice, today we are going to solve logarithmic equation problem. Let's start. Log base 10, 100 plus root over x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 2. So before starting this equation, we have to know a rule. Log base a x equals to m. This one we can write x equals to a to the power m. It means the base will be same. In here 10 is our base, which is a, and this expression is x and 2 is a m. So as per x equals to, it means 100 plus root over x square minus 6x plus 5 equal a to the power m. It means 10 to the power 2, right? Now x square minus 6x plus 5 root equals to 10 square means 100, and here is plus 100, it will become minus 100. Here again x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Now we can squaring both sides, so we can write x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. We can write squaring both sides. Now it's a quadratic equation. We can solve this one by middle term factor. So x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equals to 0. 5 times 1 is a 5 and 5 plus 1 is a 6. Now we can take common x, so x minus 5, and here take common minus 1, so again x minus 5 equals to 0. Now here we can take common x minus 5, so x minus 5, then here is x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can write either x minus 5 equals to 0, so we can write x equals to 5, right? It's a very simple thing. Or x minus 1 equals to 0, so we can write x equals to 1. So x equals to either 1 or 5. This is our answer. Very simple. So these kinds of thing we have to careful about which law we can implement. Here we are following log ax equals to m, which is x equals to a to the power m. So this one is finished. This video I am going to solve another similar type of math. Let's start. Here is log base 10, 80 plus root over x square minus 10x plus 21 equals to 2. Similar, log base a x equals to m. We know this case x equals to a to the power m. So here x is 80 plus root over x square minus 10x plus 21 equals to a to the power m. A is a base 10, it means 10 to the power 2. So here we can write root over x square minus 10x plus 21 equals to 10 square means 100, and here plus 80, it will become minus 80. So here is x square minus 10x plus 21 will be unchanged, should be root over 100 plus 80 will be 20. Now we can square both sides. So we will get x square minus 10x plus 21 equals to 400. We can write squaring both sides. So again here is x square minus 10x plus 21, and this 400 will become minus 400 equals to 0. Then x square minus 10x plus 21 minus 400, it will be 379 equals to 0, right? Now this one, it's not easy way to solve by middle term factoring. Therefore we will follow quadratic equation general formula. How? We know quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So x equals to what? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here x square minus 10x minus 379, if we try to follow or mention like x square plus bx plus c, we can write here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, and c equals to minus 379. So we can write x equals to minus b. What does means minus b? Minus b is a, here is minus and b is a minus 10 plus minus root over b square, it means minus 10 square minus 4a, a means 1 and c is a minus 379 divide 2. Now look, minus and minus plus, so here is 10 plus minus root over minus 10 square is a 100 square, 100, and minus plus 379 times 4 is a 1516 by 2. Then 10 plus minus, it will be 1616 root over. So what does mean 1616? If we make square root 1616, so here is 40.2 divide 2. So against this one we can write like 2 plus minus 10, sorry, here is 10 plus minus 40.2 approximate divide 2. Now x equals to either 10 plus 40.2 divide 2. So here is 40.2 plus 10 means 50.2. We can say 25.1, or x equals to 10 minus 40.2 divide 2. So 40.2 minus 10, it will be 30.2. So it means 15 0.2, it should minus. So we can say our answer x equals to minus 15.1, right? Here is 1, 15.1 or 25.1. Very simple. So you should face this kinds of question examination hall, and it's a very good practice for algorithmic equation problem. We know exponent and logarithm is very important part of algebra, especially whole thing we can say math. So you should keep practice, and it should be ideal for IGCSE, JEE, Olympiad, SAT, or any local central examination like SSC or CBSE. So for everywhere this is a very important math, so you should practice. And my channel name is SaadX, and also MathZip is my channel. So if you possible, please subscribe both channel. You will learn lots of things from here, and you should share your problem in description box. Thank you.